YouTube friends, how you doing? I don't know if you have a Honda or a vehicle that requires you to take out screws out of the rotors, which is, I don't know who thought that was a good idea. It's like, dude, for real? Whatever. That's what I'm dealing with right now. Sadly, I did not shoot this video in progress because well, I really didn't think I needed to do one since there's so many videos about impact screwdrivers, but I gotta tell you my experience, because if you're doubting this tool, I want to erase all doubt right now. So what I picked up, this is the box, is I picked this up at AutoZone. You can get them anywhere. You know, I paid 18 bucks. You can get them Amazon or O'Reilly's. Didn't have one. Advanced Auto Parts had one. You know, you got to find one that you trust. So the unit looks like this, and what it does is it's a weighted end that you beat on with a hammer, and it has a bit here, a receiver that comes off, and the driver on this one is 3/8 inch. So this goes on here, and the bit is removable so that you can put in, there's two different sizes of Phillips heads, a smaller one and a larger one. And what I'm working on right now has a Phillips head. So you're going to put this in, and then you're going to notice that there's an L and an R, and the L stands obviously for left and the R for right. If you push down on this tip, it will spin. You can see that, and that's what changes the direction. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, even though there's so many videos already of impact screwdrivers, is because I was really a naysayer. And the reason is because the screws that I was working on are completely stripped out. I wish I would have done this before I started this project, because you would have thought there was absolutely no way I was getting them out, and I was depressed. I was thinking, man, I got to drill these out, get my friend over here with his arc welder and weld on a rod and screw it out that way. I'd tried heating it. I tried penetrating oil, and absolutely nothing was working. So I'm going to just show you what happened now. So here is one of the screws, and if I can get you to, if it'll zoom in on it here, let's see what it'll do. It was completely stripped. What I did is, normally I would have used a smaller bit, but I grabbed the biggest one that was in there and I put it on top of this screw, and then I grabbed the biggest hammer that I could get that was handheld, which is this right here. I don't know, it probably weighs, looks like, says it weighs 4 pounds. And then, as you're supposed to, just press this up here, and to turn it when it's in, you just put a little pressure onto the left, and then I just kept beating on this thing, just pounding on it as hard as I could. And wouldn't you believe what it did is it drove that bit down inside of that screw and grabbed, and as I kept beating, wouldn't you know it, I got it out. Tell you is, if you're a naysayer on the impact screwdriver, cast your doubts aside, my friend, and go buy one, because and by the way, you definitely want a heavy hammer, because I was just using like a little this is just like a finished carpentry hammer. No, you need some power. You need to be able to smack that sucker, and got them out. It's the best 18 bucks I've ever spent. Hey guys, let's get it done. If you can get your projects done and my tips passed along to you, help you out, that makes me happy. I'll catch you again another time.